Hi, I'm Tim Stutt. I'm the editor-in-chief of Lab Equipment Magazine, and we're at LabAutomation 2010 in Palm Springs, California, and we're here in the Scienion booth with Guido Bared, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the products that he's exhibiting at the booth here. Guido?
Thank you very much. So yeah, this is Scienion. What we do, we have spotters which work in the piezo displacement technology. We do non-contact spotting, and the product I'm going to show you now is the S3, one of our products. The benefit of this product is that you can actually make drops. So this is what we mainly give you. We give you drops in a very precise volume, and the benefit of this is that you can make arraying a lot more easier, a lot more precise. You can see here one of the functions that is very easy to use, the drop volume function, where the software actually controls the drop while it's being dispensed, as you can see here, and calculates the drop volume from that. So we have a drop volume of 204 picoliters in this case. The drop volumes normally range between 100 and 800 picoliters, and since we're shooting at frequencies of about 500 to 2000 hertz, we can achieve a lot bigger volume. So the second advantage of this machine is that with the nozzles that we're using, you can actually drop inside multi-titer plates, so you can make your arrays inside an MTP plate. And due to the small morphology, let me show you the pin here, due to the small pin size, you can actually go with this pin inside an MTP plate and creating an array inside the MTP. So for instance, a 96 well will take a 12 by 12 array, which is 144 drops inside and in 96 well. The second feature we have on this machine is this cartridge, which also uses the piezo activation. So the piezo is covered inside this cartridge. It's being activated by electricity, and the difference in this cartridge is that we can actually fill it from here. It will take up 1000 microliters, and it can be stored in the fridge, so you can just reuse it several times, put your valuable substances inside and reuse it as many times as you want. This actually leads to a significant saving of material, because you're just dispensing what you're needing and you save the rest.
Okay, Guido, how does your product compare to other products that might be in the marketplace?
Well, actually, these products are very flexible, so we can have different slide holders, for instance. We can have different general holders for different samples, for biosensors. So this machine can be used for loading biosensors, for loading multi-applications, for making arrays on slides or inside MTPs. So it's a very diverse machine, and actually there are not so many machines out there in the market which can compare with it. So another application or another machine that we have is the size Swifter, which is a high precision dispenser. As you can see here, it takes up a head where it can fit 8 cartridges of this type inside it. These cartridges are the same that can be used on the other machine. They can be filled, and by that you can make dispensing into MTP plates. You can make serial dilutions, use different compounds in cross activity checkings, LC50 calculations, and it's very fast, it's very easy to use, it's operated by a touch screen, and actually it's also interfaceable with different laboratory machines, and therefore very flexible to use. And it also uses the same technology which uses the piezo actuation to dispense the drops, and the same volume